What's up, YouTube? Oh, went to go wash the wife's truck. Went to the first car wash in my town. It went from a fucking $1 wash all the way up to $2. So I say fuck that. Go to the next car wash in my town, and they tore it down. That sucks. So now I've got a shit ton of quarters in my pocket. No car wash to go to. And it's too damn cold to wash it by hand. Small penis truck. So now I get to go home. How's everybody's day going? Mine's going all right. Be going a hell of a lot better if there was a car wash in my town that wasn't going to rape me. Well, we'll go to a different one. Let's take a ride. Can't speed through town. Speed limit's 50. Gotta go 50. I'm tired. I drank 3 cups of coffee. I'm just really not feeling it. Oh. Ugly. Way up the road up there, there's another car wash. I see you, Popo. Yeah, as you can tell, I really don't have a whole lot to talk about. It just goes to show how freaking tired I am. Watch this motherfucker, he's gonna pull into my lane. Oh, nope. He went all the way over. Good. Dumbass. Wish I could listen to music while I do this. But I'll get hit for copyright again. But it's okay. I just wish this other car wash wasn't so far down the road. Really, it's not that far. It seems like forever when you're going there. I hate going to this car wash. Motorcycles and dirt bikes. Shit. We're almost to the light. The car wash is right by the light. I'm gonna turn this off because the alarms up here constantly make it go off. See how long I'm gonna have to sit at this damn red light to turn. This fucking light's slow. Not too long ago, I sat here almost 15 minutes just to just to turn. Holy shit, that was fast. Wow, that was the fastest this light ever went. I think it's because I'm recording. And it said this light's normally slow. At the car wash now, so we will continue the ride home. Nope. Looks like I just drove all this way for freaking nothing. I hate my county. Just saying. Hey, look. Look at that guy. He's sleeping. That dude didn't even move. He's still standing in the same place. But look at this shit. Stupid ass fucking car washes. Now I gotta go home with all these freaking quarters in my pocket. Ugh, fucking bullshit. That's some real fucking bullshit. Oops. Little sideways action. Gotta love the posi track. Slow her down now. I'm speeding again. Don't need to be caught speeding. Caught speeding is like caught slipping. You just don't do that shit. I really do hate this damn city, this town. Got car washes that rape you. Got car washes that are there that just don't work. Damn, you can go to the ghetto in Fort Worth, and you can go Stop 6. There's car wash everywhere, and they work, and they're cheap. Go to Dallas, find car wash everywhere, and they work. Jump out here to Johnson County, good luck on finding a fucking car wash that works. And if it does work, it's gonna rip your ass off. Really not happy about going home with a fucking big ass pocket full of goddamn quarters. Really aggravating. I hope y'all like this adventure to the car wash. Yeah, that was definitely a fail. 3 car washes in my area that are close to me. And 2 of them don't work. One was actually tore down. And then one just wants way too much money. swear I've got some weird people in this town. Some weird ones out here. Man, it's cold. I want to wash the truck. It's fucking filthy. I don't know if y'all can see all the fucking dirt and shit on the hood. Got to do the dash too, but I'm not gonna do the dash if I can't wash the outside of the truck. So fuck it. I guess I got to run further into town later on tonight, or later on today. It's not nighttime yet. Definitely freaking aggravating though. Hey, I'm about to pull up at my house. If you like my car wash adventure fail, hit the like button, comment, share, and subscribe.